Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a 2-minute smoky eye tutorial for everybody like me who is not really a makeup expert and does not want to go too heavy or too cakey on makeup, but anybody who likes to have fun with looks, outfits, fashion and makeup should watch all my videos because I'm just like you. So this time I have a smoky eye which is not going to take you more than 2 minutes. For the first step, I have a very basic iconic kajal. You can use any black kajal that you have. I'm quickly going to do, so I'm wearing liner already, but it should not matter. I'm just going to go with a very thick line on my eyes. Yeah. You need not be perfect with this one. You can just, smudge it out later on. So I'm just going to use a blending brush and I'm going to smudge out all this kajal upwards and outwards. So this gives me a nice black base for my eyeshadow. I'll repeat the drill for my other eye. I'm just doing this, real time. I'm not going to edit this video so that you can time for yourself. Now with all this talking, I'm still going to finish this in under 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I'm taking black eyeshadow from Maybelline's Nudes palette, this one. And I'm just taking a little bit of this, dusting out the excess. And I'm going to just go all over my crease with this. Sorry, the eyelid. We leave out the crease for later. So I'm just tracing out the natural shape of my eyes, doing nothing fancy. Doing the same drill for my other eye. Yeah. So it's good to have that black base of kajal before so that the color is intensified. Now using a separate sponge tip applicator, I'm just going to use this brown shade here. You can use any good brown eyeshadow. There's no such rule about it. And I'm just going to go over my crease to create an ombre effect. So you can see it looks all smoked out. It's nothing too complicated as people try and make it look like. Yeah, I'm just going to go on my crease with a free hand because I'm going to blur it all out later on. So I need not be perfect with this one. Yeah. So once you're done with your brown eyeshadow, we are going to take a highlighting shade on our ring finger. This is the champagne color that I'm taking. I'm just going to dust it right under my brow bone to make the eyes pop. I'm just using my fingers. I'm not using a brush at all. After this step, I'm just going to use my finger, the same finger, and I'm just going to blend this all out. I think nothing blends out your makeup like your fingers. You can always use a brush, but I prefer using my fingers for the final blurring out. Now you can wear an eyeliner over this one. I prefer to leave it like this. I also go ahead with a very generous coating of mascara after this. And on the lower lash line, I'm going to take this same black shade with a sponge tip applicator. And I'm just going to dust it on my lower lash line. So you can see how beautiful an effect do I get here. Again, use your finger to smudge out any excess that you may have. And this is not done perfectly right now, but now it's perfect, yes. So this is the look that I've come up with. If you like this look, do let me know. Please like, comment and subscribe. Your encouragement means a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.